I bought this oven in May 2023 and this is my first pizza cook. And it's handy having a pizza brush even with a gas-fired oven because you will get some debris, especially if you've got some flour on the base of your pizza or some semolina. A dial thermometer that does not need a battery, in my opinion, are the best ones, and I really love this one. The Woodfire tray is really easy to take it in and out, so you can push it from the back and then pull it through from the front, so it's just right. It's a nice big size tray, ashtray, I really like it. I really love this oven actually, I don't know if I said that already. This is a really fantastic wood-fired pizza oven, 12-inch one. It's definitely my favourite 12-inch wood-fired pizza oven because it does everything. It's got a glass door, but I'll talk about all of that as I go through this video. I'll tell you the bits I love. So I'd cooked a wood-fired pizza and now I wanted to try out what a gas-fired pizza was like. But also I did this because I wanted to see how easy it was to move the two around, getting the grate out, putting the gas-fired one in. And it's really easy. So if you decide you want to make one pizza with wood and then next with gas, this oven is really easy to do that. It's just changing things around at the back and it's very simple and quick to do. Just wear oven gloves if any part of it is hot, which it would be. And cooking with pizza, you're going to get debris, especially ash from the wood. It's easy to get rid of that. You just brush it to the front, and I've learned that you just blow it away to get it over the glass bit. The Crust with the wood burner has a lower crust cook. This oven does a wood cook really well. And the benefit of this oven is the glass door as well. I can see it cooking, particularly with the wood cook. I want to see what's going on. And that glass door gives you that option, so it allows you to not open the door as much, giving that wood-fired pizza an opportunity to keep all the heat in, which is what it's all about. And you're going to get some pesky little bits of charcoal and wood falling down, and that's how I deal with those. Pizza peels to the rescue. For wood-fired cooking, this is definitely the easiest pizza oven I've used. It's so simple. It's got a glass door. The door's easy to open. It's not a huge amount to start off the oven, and as you build up your flames, you'll add more and more. I use that size wood in this oven at all times, and that's how I start the fire. Light it with my butane gas can. the very efficient method of fanning with your pizza peel, that's a really good tip to get some air around, especially if it's not a windy day. So quite rare where I live, but it wasn't a windy day for this cook, so a bit of fanning there helps it along loads. And once you've developed your flame, keep the door open as your flame is developing. You need that oxygen going in there to give the power to the flame. And once it's done, shut the door, heat it up, and you're good to go. My doggy Kai, he's always around me when I'm cooking. I love him being around. He always tries to get some pizza. This is a comparison video I did where I compared the original Ooni Karu 12 with the new one. This is the new gas burner with its slitty, like, gas burner shape. I'm comparing the door, so that's the door of the original Karu 12, that's the new door, which is a huge improvement. And I also made a video comparing the Karu 12 and the Ooni Karu 12G. I'll put in the description all these comparison videos if you would like to see them. And its underbelly. Always important to see the underbelly, to see the amount of insulation underneath. As I said before, this oven is so easy to top up, and it's really easy to add your little logs in after you've cooked one pizza and to maintain the oven. Very, very easy pizza oven to use for wood-fired cooking. You've got to like wood-fired smoke if you use pizza ovens, because you're going to get a lot of it as you're heating up the oven. Once it's taken and caught, that smoke will just disappear and turn into heat. But at the beginning you may get a bit overwhelmed with a bit of smoke, but it doesn't last long. I learned to cook with wood-fired pizza ovens with the Ooni Pro. I've since loved cooking with wood. So for 2025, I'm going to be cooking a lot more in this oven, and I'm going to be doing more wood-fired pizza cooking because I love it. This video I made also shows the difference between the Ooni Karu 12G and the Ooni Karu 16. And I'll link that one above and below too. The gas burner on this oven isn't my favourite. It's really good and it does cook a good pizza, but it's quite high. The flames come up quite high in it, so I don't get as much of a crust cook. I get more of a top cook. I keep that in mind when I'm managing a pizza cook with this oven using this gas burner. I sometimes leave the door open so it pulls the flames forward lower so it doesn't go up the chimney. I think that's a little thing that I've been doing just to help that along. Really interesting shot of the inside of my chimney. This is how high that flame is. I think this shows it well, how high the flame comes out of that gas burner. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be using this oven a lot more in 2025. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the Karu 12G, or whether you've bought it or whether you prefer the original Karu 12. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.